In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix BandLab app login problem. If you're struggling to log into the BandLab app this year, it can be due to one of a few common issues. Here's how to troubleshoot them and get back into your music making groove. First, let's talk about your internet connection and potential server-side issues. Make sure you're on a stable network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data in here, or even restarting your router if things feel sluggish. It's also worth checking BandLab status pages or their Discord and social feeds to see whether any maintenance is underway. Sometimes login issues are caused by temporary server downtime. If the issue isn't on BandLab's end, check your login method. Many users found success by switching to a social login, such as Google, Apple, or Facebook, rather than manually entering an email and password. If you've forgotten which method you originally used, or simply forgot your password, you can reset it. Just be sure to check your spam or junk folder for the reset email. In some rare cases, BandLab may have disabled password login temporarily for your account. If so, switching to a linked social login can resolve the issue. Also, make sure that BandLab is updated on your phone using your App Store or Play Store. On desktop or web login, browser-related issues are a frequent culprit. Trying a different browser, clearing your cache and cookies, or using an incognito window often resolves these issues. If none of these steps work, your account may be in a weird state, or there could still be temporary server issues. Reach out to BandLab support with as many details as you can. Mention any error messages, your login method, device, browser, and whether this issue is specific to desktop or affects mobile too. You should be helped thereafter. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.